Hello everybody, welcome back to Wildwoods Farms. Today we are about to light a smoker. A lot of people don't know how to do it. This is going to be a easy method of lighting a smoker. So first, you're going to need fire starter. You're going to need a lighter. You're also going to need a smoker. Then you're going to need a half tool. And you're going to need pound straw. If you're near pound straw or burlap or wood or anything like that would work. So, first what you're going to do is you're going to put this little back on it right here. You're going to light it. You're going to easily do that. Let it kind of, see how it kind of went out there. Let it start burning. Drop it in there. Kind of didn't really start. Let's see if it wants to. So, like, there's a lot of times where it'll be failed attempts. But there you go. So we'll start burning. Get it to the center. There it goes. It's lighting. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it burn for just count like 30 seconds. See, blow it out. And get a big ball of pine straw. Enough just to squeeze it in there. See how it's going good now? Might stop a little bit, you're just going to have to keep on smoking it. And there you go. If you do it this way I said to do it, it should work out perfect. Do the same if you're lighting 2 smokers. Puff it. If you want to, you can put a little bit more pound straw, just for extra measures. You don't want it to go out during usage. There we go. That's how you light a smoker. You're gonna do the same if you ever one. I'm Grayson. I'm gonna see you on the next video.